Whiteboard animation isn't just a trend. It's a dynamic way to explain complex ideas with flair. Imagine turning history, science, or even your wildest stories into visual masterpieces that grab attention and keep viewers hooked. But here's the kicker. You can transform these animations into a lucrative income stream. Picture you as a savvy content creator monetizing your skills in two brilliant ways. First up, YouTube. Build your channel, sprinkle in some captivating whiteboard animations, and voila! Enable ads to start earning passive income as your audience grows. And secondly, freelance your talent. Businesses crave engaging content, and platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are goldmines for talented animators like you to shine and earn. But first you have to know how to create these types of videos. Now, creating whiteboard animations in the past used to be a bit time-consuming, but AI tools are here to make things a breeze. Today, we'll be using Mango Animator, a free and user-friendly option to get you started. With Mango Animator, crafting your masterpiece is a breeze. From choosing your canvas to adding characters, effects, and even sound, it's all at your fingertips. Crafting your story is key. Whether it's an educational explainer or a captivating tale, clarity and conciseness are your best friends. With Mango Animator, you can unleash your creativity in various ways. With the Mango M tool, for example, you can create a seamless 2D animation videos, high-quality whiteboard animations, character animations, text-based animations, and animated presentations. For now, let's dive into whiteboard animation. Click on the download button to get started. Once downloaded, install the application on your system like any other app. After the installation is complete, launch the application. Here, you'll find a vast array of pre-built templates in categories like education, marketing, human resources, and more. Let's start with a blank page. Click on Create New Empty Project and choose the aspect ratio. For a full video, select 16:9, and for shorts, choose 9:16. In this example, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape ratio, perfect for YouTube videos. And here we are, at the creator page where the magic happens. But before we dive into animation creation, let's acquaint ourselves with the tools at our disposal. In the background timeline, you can customize your canvas by adding or altering backgrounds. The camera effect tool lets us add captivating effects to text or objects, like handwriting or hand drawing. Now, onto the action tool, where we set dynamic actions for our objects. At the top of the preview panel, you'll spot essential tools like Home, used for creating new projects, and others for configuring and publishing projects. And over on the right, behold the media bin. Here lies a treasure trove of media, from images and shapes to text decorations and sound effects. You can even upload your own media for a personal touch. Alright, let's embark on our whiteboard animation creation journey. First, we need to craft a compelling story that will serve as the foundation for our whiteboard animation. Begin by navigating to Google Bard and requesting the top 10 Wikipedia niches by page and view count. The tool will generate a table displaying niche categories, page numbers, and view counts. Select a niche that intrigues you. For instance, I'll choose the science niche. Next, ask Bard for the top 10 articles in your chosen niche. Since I'm interested in science, I'll inquire about the top 10 science articles on Wikipedia. Google Bard will present the top topics along with their popularity and view counts. Choose one of the articles. In my case, I'll select the most viewed topic, artificial intelligence. Now, search for it on Wikipedia to gather comprehensive information. However, for video production, condensing this extensive content is essential. While the lengthy article serves as an excellent source of information, its depth requires condensation to suit video production. To achieve this, copy the Wikipedia article's link and return to Google Bard. This time, ask Google Bard to analyze the URL link, which directs to the Wikipedia article. The objective is to transform the article into a punchy and engaging YouTube video script, limited to 500 words. Google Bard will analyze the existing Wikipedia article and provide a condensed version written as a video script. If you find the result unsatisfactory, there's an option to regenerate it by clicking on the Regenerate Draft option. Once you have your video script generated, the next step is to create the voiceover. Now you have the option to record your own voice or utilize AI power. I'll choose an AI-generated voice using 11 Lab. If you're new to 11 Lab, simply create an account. You'll have a 10,000 character quota as a free member. Copy the script generated from Google Bard, select your preferred voice artist, paste the script, and hit generate. Once your voiceover is ready, return to Mango Animator's dashboard. Navigate to the Sound tab, click Add Local Sound, and upload the voiceover generated with 11 Lab. The tool will prompt you to perform transcoding first. Click Transcode Now to start. After a brief moment, your voiceover will seamlessly integrate into the timeline. Now, let's breathe life into our story. Starting with the words "Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence," adjust size and position, customize its effect using the Text tab. I'll apply a hand-drawn effect without the hand for a polished look. To insert images into the canvas, go to the Image tab and search for your desired image. There are many different SVG images, all categorized. You can also upload your own image by clicking on Add Local Image. After uploading, adjust the timeline position if needed, then adjust the size. If you find an image online that you'd like to use, simply download it and come to the free SVG image converter. Convert your image to SVG by uploading it, and below you'll find your SVG image. Download and upload it into your Mango Whiteboard tool, where you can easily import it into your canvas. Stay tuned as we continue our whiteboard animation journey, transforming ideas into captivating visuals. With Mango Animator and a sprinkle of creativity, the possibilities are endless. With our first slide complete, it's time to prepare for the next. But before we dive into creating the second slide, we need to clear the canvas of all elements. We can easily achieve this with erase effects. To do that, click on the plus icon at the scene's end. Here, you'll find various erase effects, though some, like those with hand animations, are exclusive to pro users. As I'm using the free version, Turn Page fits perfectly. Once the erase effect is applied, ensure it's adjusted to the desired length. Keep in mind that sometimes, the erase effect may not function correctly on text layers. Simply copy and paste the effect onto the text layer timeline to resolve the issue. Continue creating your scenes following the generated voiceover using your script storyboard until you have the entire script. Don't forget to always add the erase effect after every scene. Once you're finished, click on the Publish button, select your preferred format, whether video or GIF, and adjust settings like resolution and format. This tool truly makes it easy to bring any story to life. And there you have it. Share your experiences and results in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.